So in next example, design a Turing machine over 1 comma b which can compute a concatenation function over sigma is equals to 1. It means you have a 1 in your input. If a pair of words w1 and w2 is the input, the output has to be w1 w2. That is concatenation of both the inputs, right? So let's start. Let us assume that the two words W1 and W2 are written initially on the input tape separated by the symbols B, right? So we have some 1 in W1 and some value in W2. So let's see. For example, if W1 consists of two consecutive ones and W2 consists of three consecutive ones, right? What you have to do, you will have to apply the concatenation function. It means your all five consecutive ones should be your output, right? So let's see the input tape. So here this is your W1, this B, and this B. It represents separating symbol, that is blank symbols. So W1, this is your W2, right? So this should be your output, that is you will have to club all the five consecutive ones, right? So let's see. We observe that the main task is to remove the symbol B, right? This symbol B. So this can be done in following manner. The first step, the separating symbol B is found and replaced by 1, right? So when you found this B, you will have to replace it with 1. As a result, you will have 6 consecutive ones, right? And for that, at the end you will have to remove this 1. You have to eliminate this any one from this entire string, right? So the part B says that the rightmost one is found and replaced by blank B. Step C, third step, the read write head returns to the starting position. So let's start with computation sequence. So here what you have to do, your W1, this is a separating symbol, and this is your W2, right? So your main aim is to remove this B, right? So let's proceed. So Q note 11B and 111. This one will be as such, so there is no need to change the symbol or there is no need to change the state. So again I am doing it with the help of transition table. So alpha, beta, gamma, new symbol, direction and new state. So neither symbol nor direction has been changed, therefore the state will remain same from Q node to Q node, right? So next again Q node upon 1. So we have already defined the move in previous steps, so it will not be changed, right? So we have defined the move Q node upon 1, that is 1R Q node. So same move will be applicable further, right? So again you will get 2 ones Q node B 111, right? So here you will apply step 1, that is on when the separating symbol is found, that is here you have found the separating symbol, that is B. Now this B will be converted into 1. Now the symbol changes, therefore the state changes, right? I hope you understand the point, because I have found the separating symbol, that is B, and I need to change it into 1. Because the symbol changes, therefore I have to change my state from Q node to Q1. So here you will get 3 consecutive ones, then a new state, that is Q1, and 3 consecutive ones, right? So let's proceed. Now you will do nothing to these ones, right? So the move is 1RQ1. So it will remain as such for this one, right? So here is the rightmost one, right? So we have defined a step 2, that is the rightmost one is found and replaced by blank B, right? But you will not change this one because we have defined the move for Q1, that is 1RQ1, right? That move will not going to be changed, right? So what we will do, you will suppose you will have to add a B symbol, right? And you will move backwards, right? So this B will remain as such. Now your direction changes. That is the reason I have changed my state from Q1 to Q2, because you will have to move backwards until you reaches the starting position according to your step number 3, right? So here you have what you will have to do. B will remain as such and the direction is left, and your head will move towards this position. That is 5 consecutive ones, then state, that is your new state, then Q2 1. Now this is your rightmost one and we have not defined Q2 upon 1. So now this time you will convert this one into B. So the move will be B. This one will be replaced with B. The move will be BLQ3 because symbol changes, therefore state changes, right? I hope you understand this point. Again, next move will be Q3 upon the processing of 1. Now you will not change these 5 consecutive ones until you reach the initial position, right? So Q1 upon 1, the move will remain same, that is 1LQ3. Same for this, same for this. Now the moment you will reaches this point, right? So Q3 upon the processing of 5 consecutive ones, again you need to add this B at the starting position. I will let you know in a short while why we have added this B, right? When you process this Q3 upon 1, again the same move will be executed, that is 1LQ3, right? And you will move to the starting position. Now Q3 upon the processing of this B, it enters into the final state, that is QF. You can also suppose Q4, right? So this is the output which we have needed, that is 1, 2, 3, 3 B's and 5 consecutive ones. 1, 2, 3 B's and 5 consecutive ones, right? So it means the entire string is accepted by this Turing machine. After that, you will have to place these moves into your tables one by one. That is Q1 upon the processing of 1. Q naught upon the processing of 1, the move is 1R Q naught. Place this move into table 1R Q naught, right? Similarly, Q naught upon the processing of B, that is the move is 1R Q1. So in this way, your entire table will be completed. Thank you.